In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money on PayPal without a fee. So normally when you send money on PayPal to a friend or to a person, you get charged a fee, a few percent only, but still it's a fee. If you want to send money on PayPal without a fee, then watch this video because I'll show you how you can do that. So first of all, you want to sign into your PayPal account by going to paypal.com and then signing in, of course, and then you can click on send. So you basically need to go to the normal process, but once you're halfway through, I'll show you, you can choose a payment method, and that's actually crucial if you want to send money without a fee. So I'll just put in a random name. I'll send €1, click on continue, and then right there, this is actually very important. What's this payment for? So sending to a friend, free if you send euros within the EU. So that's because I'm in Europe. It will say Europe. It will say whatever you are, basically, wherever you are. My bad. Normally, when you click right there, the seller pays a fee. So you'll send money, but there's a fee. If you choose this one, sending to a friend, also known as friends and family, you don't have to pay for a fee. And that's pretty much how you can send money on PayPal without a fee. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works so that others can do this as well. And then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.